Namaskaram. I am Vaidegi Shantakumar, Director of Pancharatnalaya Dance and Music Center. As a member of Nalate, I welcome you all to the day 7 of Navaratri Sadhana 3.0 on the title of Ammavaru, Goddess Durga. Navaratri is a significant Hindu festival of 9 nights that celebrates the triumphs of good over evil. We dancers perform Bharatanatyam during Navaratri as a form of worship to honor the divine feminine, specifically Goddess Durga and her 9 manifestations. Today we are here to perform a wonderful song composed by Sri Shyama Sastri. Shyama Sastri was an 18th century Indian composer of Carnatic music, regarded as one of the trinity of Carnatic music, a devout worshipper of Goddess Kamachi. He composed around 300 songs, mostly Devi Kritis. Janani Nata Jana Paripalini is a Carnatic composition in Ragam Saveri and Thalam Adi. It is a prayer to the goddess Durga, praising her as a protector of all who seek hers, a reliever of sorrow and sin, and the mother of 3 worlds. This Kriti is considered to be the first composition of Sri Shyama Sastri, and it's known for its beautiful, intricate musical structure. The performer are my disciples, Shantini Pandian, Nirja Senthil Kumar, and Malini Pandian.
Janani Nata Jana Paripalini Pahi Mam Bhavani 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 Viloka Janani Nata Jana Paripalini Pahi Mam Bhavani 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 Viloka Janani Nata Jana Paripalini Pahi Mam Bhavani 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 Nata Jana Paripalini Pahi Mam Bhavani 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 Vainute Sakala Jana Paritapa Paharini Jaya Shalini Danuja Vainute Sakala Jana Paritapa Paharini Jaya Shalini Danuja Vainute Sakala Jana Paritapa Harini Jayati Nata Jana Paripalini Pahi Mam Bhavani Satata Vinata Suta Ganapati Senani Amba Satata Vinata Suta Ganapati Senani Raja Rajeshwari Vishalakshya Taruni Akhila Jana Pavani Raja Rajeshwari Vishalakshya Taruni Akhila Jana Pavani Sati Shubha Charite Sada Madhura Bhasha Vigalata मृतरसध्वनि सती शुभचरिते सदा मधुरभाषा विगलतामृतरसध्वनि सती शुभचरिते सदा मधुरभाषा विगलतामृतरसध्वनि सुरनुतपदयुग दर्शित इह मम गात्रमतिमागमजनि सुजनि सुरनुतपदयुग दर्शित इह मम गात्रमतिमात्रमजनि सुजनि जननि तत जन परिपालिनी पाहि मां भवानी भवानी भवानी